Welcome to the in front of me REALME Pad, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, in my case that will be the new one to show you how you can do that. So first, just to add the widgets, press and hold for a while with your finger to your screen, and here you will see the widgets icon. Just tap there. And now, as can you see, we got here all our available widgets that we can add to the screen. For example, we'll go with the clock, and now just hold for a while, and here drag to the position, to the section where you want to add the widget. If you want, you can also change the size of your widget by this way. You can make it smaller or bigger as you want. For example, we'll do it here. And now we can add one more widget by the same way. For example, we'll go in with the calendar. Just here, as can you see, we can add the widget. Just hold for a while, and by this way you can change the size of your calendar. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold for a while and drag here to the remove icon, and by the same way we can also remove the second widget. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.